Hello everyone, let me walk you through Applied and Agentic Generative AI Specialization Program, which is also known as A to G Specialization Program. About this program, Applied and Agentic Generative AI Specialization is a professional practitioner level program designed for learners who want to build real world AI systems end to end, not just understand concepts. This program follows an end to end builder path, starting from Python fundamentals and progressing through ML, deep learning, generative AI, and finally agentic AI systems capable of reasoning, decision making, and orchestration. So unlike theory heavy courses, this curriculum is build first and execution driven. Learners work through multiple hands-on Python projects, ML pipelines, Gen AI application, and agentic AI capstones, which helps them in gaining the skills required to design, implement, and reason about modern AI systems used in industry today. Now let's see who this program is built for. This program is for all aspiring AI and Gen AI practitioners, and especially for beginners with no prior coding experience who wants to learn AI and Gen AI from scratch through a structured step-by-step builder path. Then software engineers and developers, data scientists, ML engineers, and trainers and professionals looking to upskill into Gen AI and agentic AI. This is the program structure at a glance. So it will go through various tracks. So track first is about Python foundations for AI and Gen AI. Track 2 is artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning. Track 3 is about applied Gen AI and agentic AI. Then we have capstone enhancement, that is founders insight session. So it's mindset engineering for learners where neuro state regulation for deep focus and learning performance is taught. Talking about the tools and technology stack, so learner gains hands-on experience with industry relevant tools including Python, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, and machine learning and deep learning libraries, then LLMs, vector database, LangChain, LangGraph, AutoGen, CrewAI, etc. Teaching methodology. So the program follows a progressive build first learning methodology where we will be learning concept first, then we'll take the example, and then we will do the hands-on implementation. Most of the teaching is done using mind maps. Then we take real world problem statement instead of toy datasets. Then incremental complexity from fundamentals to advanced systems, continuous reinforcement through projects and capstones, and then we have live quizzes also to reinforce understanding and retention. This approach basically ensures deep understanding and practical confidence. Now let's see the professional practitioner curriculum end-to-end builder path. So track 1 is about Python foundation for AI and Gen AI. Python training is divided into 4 parts: level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 4. Python level 1 is about Python basics where we will learn about data types, variables, naming convention, comments, output, user input, conditional statements, loops, operators, and type conversion. Python level 2 is about data structures, which will cover Python string, Python list, Python tuple, Python set, Python dictionary. Then Python level 3 is intermediate Python, where we will learn about functions, lambda, scope of variables, exception handling, OOPS concept, then the concepts of module and packages, pip, and then we will also learn about Python standard libraries like math, random, OS, sys, collections, and we will also learn about file handling. How do we handle CSV file, JSON file, etc. Then coming to Python level 4, which is an advanced level. So this level covers data visualization using Python, where we will cover libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and Seaborn. Track 2 is about artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So chapter 1 is about AI fundamentals, where we will learn about the basics of AI, machine learning, deep learning, Gen AI. Chapter 2 is about machine learning, where we will study what is machine learning, then code terminologies used in machine learning, and different types of machine learnings. Chapter 3 is about supervised machine learning, where we will see what supervised machine learning is and what are different task types in supervised ML, and then different algorithms. Supervised learning is basically divided into 2 parts: regression and classification. Under regression, we will be seeing what is regression and what's its categories, and then we will be doing 2 Python projects under regression section and 5 Python projects under classification section. Then chapter 4 is about unsupervised machine learning, and we will be doing 2 Python projects under unsupervised machine learning. Chapter 5 is about neural networks and deep learning. So we'll see what are neural network, what is deep learning, then what is the difference between brain neurons and artificial neuron, and then we will be also doing 1 Python project under neural network and deep learning chapter. Next track is about applied Gen AI and agentic AI. So this is divided into 6 chapters. Chapter 1 is about Gen AI core, where we will learn the fundamentals of Gen AI and Gen AI architectures. Chapter 2 is about prompt engineering. So prompt engineering is a very important concept. So there will be a creative lab section in prompt engineering, where we will be sculpting powerful and effective prompt using AI of prompt engineering. So AI of prompt engineering is a revolutionary technique that was invented by me. So I will teach you how to implement AI of prompt engineering to build the powerful prompts. Then chapter 3 is about building LLM application, and we will be doing one capstone project where we will be building a knowledge retrieval AI powered assistant using the concepts that we will learn in this chapter. Then chapter 4 is about agentic AI foundations, where we will learn about agentic AI, then difference between agentic AI and AI agents. And then chapter 5 is about multi-agent orchestration, where we will study LangGraph, AutoGen and Crew AI. And we will be doing 3 more capstone projects under multi-agent orchestration chapter. Then chapter 6 is about responsible AI leadership, where we will learn about Gen AI roadmap for adoption within any organization and AI governance. Then talking about the capstone enhancement, which is founders insight session. Here we will learn what are different mental and cognitive state and why different tasks requires different mental states, and overview of common cognitive states used in learning and creativity. And I will also teach you mental exercises where you can modulate your brain for better learning and focus. Learners outcome and industry readiness. So what are the benefits that learners will get once this program is completed? So by the end of this program, learners will be able to write production ready Python for data processing and visualization. They will be able to build complete machine learning pipelines for regression and classification. They will be able to understand and apply neural networks and deep learning architectures. They will also be able to design and implement RAG based LLM application. They will be able to build and orchestrate AI agents using LangGraph, AutoGen and Crew AI. And they will also understand the role of governance and responsibility in Gen AI adoption. And they will apply the mindset engineering technique to improve learning efficiency, focus and creativity on personal level. If you are interested to enroll in this program, here are the contact information. You can WhatsApp me on the number coming up on screen, and you can also refer to my LinkedIn profile and DM me there. And to experience my teaching style and approach, feel free to visit my YouTube channel. The link of the YouTube channel is given on the screen. So this was the quick overview of the Applied and Agentic Generative AI Specialization Program.